Hello and welcome to another English grammar lesson on this channel. Today's topic is may versus might. Are you one of those who get confused about when to use may and might? In this lesson, I'm going to tell you the difference between them and when to use them in sentences. Okay? Both may and might are modal verbs. So both of them are modal verbs talking about possibility. Now, the difference between them is that may is used when the possibility is stronger. So we use may for stronger possibility. In other words, when there is higher chance of something happening, use may. Use might when the possibility is weaker. Okay? In other words, when the possibility of something happening is low, use might. We use may to express permission. Might is not used for permission. It is only used to express possibility. Okay? Now let's answer these questions for clearer understanding. 1. It blank rain later, so take an umbrella. This part of the sentence, take an umbrella, shows that there is higher chance of the rain coming down. So there is stronger possibility. That means may fits the sentence more. It may rain later, so take an umbrella. 2. She blank come to the meeting, but she is not sure. In this sentence, the speaker is not sure. So the possibility is low. That means might fits in better. She might come to the meeting, but she is not sure. 3. I blank finish the work today if I have enough time. In this sentence, the speaker is determined to finish the work today only if he has the time. That means the possibility is stronger. In other words, may fits in better. I may finish the work today if I have enough time. He blank be at home. The lights are on. This part of the sentence, the lights are on, is evidence that the person will likely be at home. So, may is the correct answer since the possibility is stronger. 5. We blank visit our aunt this weekend, but nothing is planned yet. In this sentence, there is no clear plan for the visit. That means the possibility is low. So the correct word to use is might. We might visit our aunt this weekend, but nothing is planned yet. There is low chance of making that visit. 6. You blank leave early today. This is permission. And when it is permission, there is only one word to use here. That is may. We use may to express permission. 7. The bus is late. It blank arrive soon. Here, there is high expectation of the bus, and expectation suggests higher possibility. Okay, so it is likely going to arrive. That means may is the correct word. The bus is late. It may arrive soon. 8. She blank have forgotten your message. This is past possibility. Possibility in the past. So might fits in better. She might have forgotten your message. 9. They blank win the match, but the other team is strong. Here, it is possible for them to win the match, but because the other team is stronger, the possibility is low. So the correct word to use is might. They might win the match, but the other team is strong. 10. He blank have missed the train. This is possibility in the past, so might fits in better. He might have missed the train. 11. You blank finish the food if you can. This is permission. When it is permission, we use may. You may finish the food if you can. This is giving someone permission to finish the food. 12. The weather looks dark. It blank storm tonight. This part, the weather looks dark, is evident that the possibility is high. There is higher chance of the storm. So the correct word to use is may. The weather looks dark. It may storm tonight. 13. She blank not understand the instruction. Here, the speaker is not sure whether she understands or not. So the possibility is weak. That means might is the correct word to use. She might not understand the instructions. 14. We blank have made a mistake in the report. In this sentence, assume that you are the speaker and decide whether the possibility is weak or not. And let me know what you think is the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more.